hiding underneath the camera. It's here! Our huge announcement for Siser. It's finally arrived. The Siser EasyPSV signed vinyl. It stands for Permanent Signed Vinyl, PSV. But it's here, it's arrived. This is definitely not nearly all of the colors, but it at least give you a good idea as to, you know, what they have, what they offer. We're good.
Yes.
We're there. Everyone can see us. No, it's not Friday. It is only Tuesday. And it's also the morning, so we're totally off our element. We're totally different day, different time, but this is huge. We have tons of colors, permanent, glossy signed vinyl. We also have some glitter signed vinyl.
Lots of glitter.
And the glitter's so pretty. We have Chalkboard, glow in the dark, Etch, and Siser also has their own application tape, so that's perfect for easy application. It's kind of everything you could ever imagine, all wrapped up into one. So, so Siser not only does obviously the heat transfer vinyl, they've kind of cornered the market in that and really made themselves the biggest name ever, but now they're taking on signed vinyl. And we are thrilled to have this whole new arrival in and kind of promote it along with Siser. We're going to be doing our Facebook Live this Friday using the product. So that'll really be exciting and fun to see and use and to kind of get into it. But, you know, along with Siser's huge announcement of their, you know, unveiling of this new product, Pro World is also kind of hopping in there and seeing what else can we offer for Siser. So we now offer a huge promotion and special offers when you buy Siser products. So if you want to try the new Siser PSV, you can get free shipping on any Siser order of $59 or more. So place an order of $59 with just Siser items in your cart. You're going to get free USPS
Very nice.
shipping. If you have other items in your cart, you'll just be charged for shipping for those other items. But if you just have Siser, signed vinyl included, so Siser EasyPSV, then you get free shipping. Now, that can't be all, right? So we're also giving you 2 times the reward points. So if you don't know what reward points are, they're basically a promotion that we offer. It's our rewards program. Every time you make a purchase, you get 1 point for every $1 spent. When you accumulate 100 points, you get $1 off your order. You can keep on adding into it. You do get extra reward points for certain volume orders, but when you order Siser, you get 2 times the reward points. So you're getting double the amount that you would normally get.
This is free money, people.
Yes!
Free money.
And then it's just like money. You use it in checkout, deduct it, and you are good to go with your discount. Okay, but that's not all. Because
that's not all.
I know, that can't be all. So place an order of $99. I want to read this one because I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so $99 of just Siser vinyl. So now that you've got $59, free shipping, add a couple more dollars to $99 of just Siser vinyl, you will get a $10 coupon to use towards a future order. And that could be anything. So spend $99, get $10. You get to use that on anything from Pro World. Some exclusions do apply, and we do have some restrictions on these 3 amazing deals because you have to. But you can check it out online. So we have a big header on our homepage letting you know all about the deal and the little restrictions. So, you know, take note of that. Do we have any questions? Is everybody super excited?
Yes, everybody's excited. We're getting plenty of hearts and likes. Terry Rickard is actually here from California this early AM. And she would like to know if this is like the 651 or 631 signed vinyl.
It would be equivalent to our Oracle Permanent, which I believe is the 651 is the glossy. 631 is the matte, I want to say. I get their numbers confused, so don't hold me to that. But this would be equivalent to the Oracal Glossy Permanent. So I think it's a 651, but it's not matte. So you have glossy, then you have glitter glossy. Your chalkboard is matte. Your glow in the dark is glossy, and your etch is matte.
And we got a lot of good mornings.
Good morning.
Joy, Cheryl, Jamie, Virgie, Rashonda, Tara. They're saying this is so cool. I love my points. We're here very early. Hannah said, you're right with the Oracal. Yeah, so this is, if the question is just for the ones who are not familiar with vinyl that are tuning in, that are brand new and just starting out with it. So this wouldn't be for your garments. No. This is definitely for like sign and decorative vinyl, which is a big thing because Siser usually just does the garment vinyl. So, and they have so many colors and very beautiful. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing this sparkle, but they have a lot of colors for each one. And
fun names. I just want to throw it out there. Like you have Ketchup, Black Cat, such crazy Sea Glass, Holly Berry. I mean, they're fun. And there's such nice colors. Like you can't really get this kind of array of colors. You have such a pretty light pink over here, cherry blossom they call it. But your glitters are so nice, and they're...
Are these 12-inch rolls they're accents?
Yes, they're all 12-inch rolls, so it's perfect for your cameo or Cricut cutter. It'll fit very nicely in there. Your glow in the dark is 13.5 inch, so it's a little bit bigger, but still perfectly fine for that cutter. It won't cut the edge, but you know, it can still fit.
Okay, so the sale is on just Siser products. So if you're referring to the pressing pads, it says, does this include pads, Joyce? I'm not sure if you mean the pressing pads. That isn't a Siser product, so you wouldn't get the discount off of that. But if you go to the $99 or more, you get that $10 off coupon. Ooh. For the future order, then that can be used towards the pads.
And that would be huge, because that would really save me on the pads. Because you can use that $10 coupon on anything. So on anything that we sell on Pearl World Inc., you can, you know, use it towards stock transfers, more vinyl, if you didn't get enough, and accessories. So you could definitely use it towards anything on the site.
We got morning from Marlton. They look so yummy. Good morning from Texas. Danielle says, oh my God, what did I miss? I'm coming today to pick up my order.
Oh,
our new
yes, our new stuff. We don't have any out on display, but you can definitely check it out online. If you go under the vinyl category and then under sign and decorative vinyl, if you kind of go to that category, they're listed all at the top for you. So you're going to see EasyPSV Permanent, EasyPSV Glitter, Permanent Glitter, it might say it on there. EasyPSV Chalkboard, EasyPSV Glow in the Dark, EasyPSV Etch, or you just type in EasyPSV and they'll all pop up.
Hannah says, interested to try the glitter. FTC cuts horrible and shows the adhesive.
Oh.
And Everett says, is the glitter PSV a thick material or is it regular thin sign vinyl?
It's regular thin sign vinyl. You're at 3.5 mil. Some of them they're all listed on the website as to what they are. I haven't memorized them all yet. But they're about the 3.5 mil, which is your standard for your sign vinyl.
Yeah, it looks like that's it.
All right. So check it out. Let's run back the kind of promotion. So free shipping, free USPS shipping for any Siser order of $59 or more, 2 times the reward points, and a free $10 when you buy $99 of Siser vinyl. This is only Siser. So anything Siser related, you can definitely add that in your shopping cart. Restrictions do apply, so check that out. And you know, I'm sure we'll be seeing you again. But if not, we'll catch you on Friday where we'll be using the products and showing you exactly how easy they are to weed, how easy it is to apply. So definitely check us out on Friday. And if you have any questions, we're here for you, so just give us a call. All right. We're good?
Yes.
All right. Bye, everybody.
See you Friday. Oh, wait, I have to go turn.
Oh, yeah. I'll be waiting forever. Bye.